Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, so in our 3-layer cake, we're going to start with our routines. There are 5 routines: the morning routine, the laundry routine, the paper routine, the after dinner routine, the before bed routine. Now we're going to start with our morning routine, and that can be in 3 parts depending on your personal circumstances. But the very first part that we all do is get up early and do our morning routine for ourselves. So what does that entail? That is making the bed, washing our face, brushing our teeth, putting on moisturizer, putting on makeup, putting a little perfume and jewelry on if you so choose, combing your hair, putting on your clothes, swishing the sink, swiping the sink and swishing the toilet. In other words, I spray the sink and wipe it with a cloth, and then I spray the inside of the toilet and go round and round with the toilet brush, tap it off and let it air dry right there under the toilet seat. And on more complicated days, I take the cloth that I've wiped the sink with and wipe the tank and the bowl and underneath. And you know, you don't have to do that. You might want to do that. You might just want to get the seat cleaned. Depends on your circumstances and how many little boys are in your house. Or big boys. All right, next thing we're going to do is go into the kitchen, empty the dishwasher or your dish rack, you know, your dishes from hand washing, and then make yourself a little breakfast, a little coffee, then go, if you have people that you care for, little people, big people, older people, go wake them up, get them ready for the day, put them through their morning routine. Children's routines include brushing your teeth, washing your face, combing your hair, putting your PJs away and the dirty clothes are in the drawer, putting on your clothes, wiping out the sink from the toothpaste, hanging up your towel, making your bed, and coming to breakfast. Those are not too hard for anyone, and you'll be available because you've already gotten yours done. Pardon me, that third routine, which you may want to include either before you do your morning routine or right after your morning routine before the children or after the children, depending on everyone's participation, is whatever else you might want to do. So maybe you want to care for your pets, or you have a farm, or you need to collect eggs, whatever. And I know at least 2 of you collect eggs. I'm so proud of you. And so wishing I could do that too. All right, so that's it. Now, if you work, you're going to go on off to work. If you're an at-home lion, living in our new strength, you're going to go right into the second thing. And the second thing today is the basic weekly plan. The basic weekly plan for today is your free day. So I hope that you planned it on Sunday and said, today is my free day, it's my pamper day, what am I going to do for myself? Because I allow you not to do any zone or any other thing, but take care of yourself today and then finish up with your routines. So what are you going to do to pamper yourself today? Let me know in the comments below. It doesn't have to be expensive. On a beautiful sunny day, you might want to go lay in a hammock and look at the clouds. Or if you're in a cold, fluffy, snowy, beautiful place, you might want to take a crisp walk. Or you might want to go window shopping, or you might want to take a nice drive, whatever. You know, pamper yourself today. It's about you. Now, I know if you have children, it's hard to squeeze that in, but you can do it. Okay, now if you're working and today is pamper yourself day, well, unfortunately at work you have to work, but you have your breaks and your lunch hour. Do something for yourself today. I also want you to take the time to think about that basic weekly home blessing hour that happens on Monday and see how you can break it down for the week. So what's happening with that? Who are you delegating it to, or are you doing it yourself? Okay, next, the zone. No zone today. If you're working, you might choose to do your zone today so that you don't have to do it on Saturday. But you can skip today if you promise me that you're doing it on the other 4 days of the week. If not, it all happens on Saturday. So that's it for the work that we have to do today. That's it. When you come home now, you're going to make dinner. You're going to start your laundry first, go through your inch of paper. Fly Babies at home, you're going to, right after breakfast, that's what you're going to do. Start your laundry, go through an inch of paper. You do have to do those things. And then after you've gotten that going, you're going to keep your ear out for that laundry so you can fold it and put it away while it's still warm and sweet. My 2 favorite words for laundry, right? Then you will have completed your laundry. So if you're working, you're going to come home, start your laundry, go through your inch of paper, if you still have some, and then start dinner. And then while dinner is holding or cooking or simmering or whatever, you're going to go ahead and do 10 minutes of your basic weekly home blessing hour. Pick one thing. If you haven't delegated it, or delegate it and be there to observe and oversee and be the CEO while you're doing your 5 to 15 minutes in zone 1, which is the entryway. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Mwah.